Good morning, students, and today continue the online classes or virtual classes. Today continue the rational numbers and chapter of the number systems to continue the exponents and the exponent of the number. So today in the last classes we discussed all the identities or we say the law. So today we discuss the different questions based on that the identity. First of all, some of the questions are that 1 ka power 0 plus 2 ka power 0 plus 3 ka power 0 is equal to. So very simple. The 1 ka power 0 is equal to 1, 2 ka power 0 is equal to 1, and 3 ka power 0 is equal to 1. So answer is the C. Okay. Next question. So 1 plus 1 into 1 power. Because we know that the x ka power 0 equals to, so such identity are the use here. So you solve that by type of the either with the 2 plus 3 into 5. Also or divide, so 1 plus 1 divided by 1, so 2 divided by 1 power. So some basic questions have come in our earlier classes or maybe the any competitive exams. So if you different type of questions, if 10 ka power 22 plus 10 ka power 20 divided by 10 ka power. So that the basic questions used as the arithmetic, because the if you know very well, if 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5, so we take the LCM of the 5 and the other 4, so that type of the questions are right. So with the 4 plus 3 by 5 are also written by 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So you just change it 10 ka power 20 plus 10 ka power 20 divided by 10 ka power. Anyone? Someone students have so such type of the method. Different type of other method we also may use. So first of all we use the so 10 ka power 2 plus 1, so 100 plus 1 equal 100. That's the one way. Second way, we also the different type of the questions. You just use such a way. If you write down 10 ka power 5 or of use a ka power 5, means you also written that a ka power 1 into a ka power 4, yeah, 1 ka power 2, a ka power 2 and a ka power 3, a ka power 3 into a ka power 2, or a ka power 4 into 8. So all the way we use by the us. So the 8 power 5 is equal to, we also written that, or that, and that. this type of the application are used here also. If you just change that 10 ka power 20 into 10 ka power 2 plus 10 ka power 20 divided by 10 ka power 20. So if the 10 ka power 20 will be the common, because both side, both the terms have the having the 10 ka power 20. So where is the 10 ka power 2 plus 1 divided by 10 ka power 20? So if you just change it 10 ka power 20 minus 20 and 100 plus 1. So that is the 10 ka power 0, 101. So 10 ka power 0 is equal to 1 into 101 barabar 101. So the different way we use to solve the different type of the questions. In last class, we also the different type of the questions are given just like two ka power 2020 minus 2 power 2090. 2 का पावर 2080, 2 का पावर 70 equals to m into 2 का पावर 2070. So find that the value of m. So we also have two ways to solve that the question. First of all, if you just check 2017, 2017, 2019, 2020, we also have the 2017. So you also written that 2017 into 2 ka power 3 minus 2017 into 2 ka power 2 minus 2017 into 2 ka power 1 plus 2017 is equal to m into 2 ka power 2017. So we just take a common 2017 here the 2 ka power 3, 2 ka power 2, 2 plus 1. Because of that 2017 have the take a common is equal to m into 2 ka power 17. So 8 minus 4 minus 2 plus 1 equals to m into because that is left side in a multiply form. So we after the transposition we just go to the division. So the both have the power. That the 9 minus 6 equals to m into 2 ka power 17 minus 2. So 3 is equal to m into 2 ka power 0. Also written that 3 barabar m into 1. So m is equal to So next, find the value if a equals to 2 and b is equal to 3. First, 1 by a plus 1 by b का power a. Second question is 1 by a minus 1 by b का power. So putting the value of solve 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 to power 2. So the basic LCM will be the 6. If you just divide by 6 to getting the 3, 3 divided by 6 to getting the 2. So 5 by 6 the power 2 is equal to 25 by 36. Or second method, you just square it. 1 by 2 का square plus 1 by 3 का square plus 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, because a plus b का whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9, 1 by 3. So LCM will be the 36. So 9, 4, 12. So 25 by 36. Again question 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 का power minus 3. So 6, 3 minus 2 minus 3. 1 by 6 का power minus 3. So 6 का power 3 is again a different type of the questions. Evaluate just like 15 का power 4 into 18 का power 3 divided by 3 का power 3 into 5 का power 2 into 12 का power. So we also written that the identity is the a into b का power m is equal to a का power m into b का power. So such type of identity here used. 15 we also written that 3 into 5 का power into 18 are also written that 2 into 3 into 3 का power 3 divided by 3 का power 3 into 5 का power 2 into. We also written that 2 into 3 का power. So 3 का power 4 into 5 का पावर 4 इंटू 2 का पावर 3 इंटू 3 का पावर 3 इंटू 3 का पावर 3 का पावर 3 इंटू 5 का पावर 2 इंटू 2 का पावर 2 and 3 का पावर 2 also. So power, calculating the power, there 3 का पावर 4 again 3 का पावर 3 plus 3 3 3 3 again the division of also 3 and minus 2 in 5 का पावर 4 and no minus 2 in 2 का पावर 3 whereas the 2 minus 2 solve with the check 3 का पावर 4 3 3 3 2 4 3 3 3 2 5 का 4 and 2 2 का 3 2 2 3 2 2 so what 3 4 3 10 and 4 3 7 7 3 10 10 minus 5 5 into 5 का पावर 2 into 4 means 2 का पावर minus 243 into 25 by इसको सॉल्व भी कर सकते हो Next question, if the combination of the numbers and alphabets, so the same methods we use कि if x का power m divided a का power m divided by a का power n means a का power m minus n, same identity है ये, so 7 का power 8 minus 6, a का power 10 minus 6, b का power 7 minus 3 and c का पावर 12 माइनस माइनस 4, सो 7 का पावर 2, a का पावर 4, b का पावर 4 and c का पावर 16. Because they are the minus, so be minus and minus will be the plus. also get the different type of the questions. Two का power n minus 5 into 6 का power 2n minus 4 is equal to 1 by 12 का power 4 into find the value of n. So we also solve the different methods we use first. If 2 का power n minus 5 into 6 का power 2n minus 4 is correct. We also written that 2 into 6 का power 4 into 2. So 2 का power n minus 5 into 6 का power 2n minus 4 equals to 1 divided by 2 का power 4 into 6 का power 4 into और 2n minus 5 into 6 2n minus 4 equals to, we just division have the power will be the change. So both the sides have the base will be the same. So exponent will be also the same. So n if you check that 2, so 2n minus 5 is equal to 2 minus 5. So n minus 5 is equal to minus 5. So n is equal to minus 5 plus 5 plus 2. Again 6 2n minus 4 equal to 6 का power minus 4. So 2n minus 4 बराबर minus 4. So 2n is equal to minus 4 plus 4. So n is equal to 0 by 2 बराबर 0. Means the value of n equals to 0. That's the first method. Second method is 2 का power n minus 5 minus 4 equals to 1 by. Or we also written that 2 का power minus 5 into 2 का power minus 6 का power minus 4. Yeah, 1 by 2 का 12 का power 4 into. So you change that if 2 का power n divided by 2 का power 5 because that's the if x का power m divided by x का power n equals to x का power m minus n. So that formula they use here. And 6 का power 2n divided by 6 का power 4 is equal to 1 by 12 का power 4 और 2 का power 4 into 2 का power into 6 का power 4. So we also written that 2 का power n into 6 का power n into 6 का power n divided by 2 का power 5 into 6 का power 4. So also written that 2 का power 5 into 6 का power 4. If a का power n plus into a का power n is equal to a n plus n बराबर a का power 1. So that's process are we use. So they're both the same denominator or either the cross product 2 का power n 6 का power n and 6 का power n. So 2 into 6 का power n also written because if a का पावर n into b का पावर n into c का पावर n, then a b c का पावर n also be the written that is equal to 2 का पावर 5 into 6 का पावर 4 divided by 2 का पावर 5 into 6 का पावर 4 by the cross product. There 2 into 6 into 6 का पावर n equals to 2 का पावर 5 minus 5, 6 का पावर 4 minus 4. So 2 into 6 into 6 का पावर n equals to 2 का पावर 0 and 6 का पावर 0. So is equal to 1. We also written that 2 into 6 into 6 का power n equals to 2 into 6 into 6 का भी power 0. So n equals to 0. In exponent, one things are also someone asked that what is the standard form of any you just write down the any numbers in a standard form. Standard form means that you just write down the number just like the 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. You change into a standard form. Means is changed into x. X into 10 का power n और x is greater than 1 and less than 10. That's the condition. You just change into the x into 10 ka power n, but x is greater than 1 and less than 10. Means first of all the numbers in the very large. So you just change into the x and is the greater than 1 and less than 10. So that's the number is 2. 2.345 1, 2, 3, 4 into. So how much numbers your in that number where decimal will be there here? So that the shift to the here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 ka power 7. But in a general form you just write down 3, 4, 5 into 10 ka power 7. If decimal shift to right to left, if decimal shift from right to left, power of n be positive. First, second, if decimal shift from left to right, power of n be negative. Such that if the question is that 0.000325, so the decimal is at the left side and goes to the first digit is 3. So we written that 3.25 into how much decimal shift? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 ka power minus. because the someone some persons have are asked that you just reading the exponent in powers, so write down that the number in a exponent form. So how to change the numbers in exponent form? That's the very easy. First of all, just check it. Either 0 is the shifting left to right or right to left only. You take the different type of the questions also in a power forms. If say 2 in a standard form. So what will you do? You just simply one digit the decimal will be shift. First 2.3246 into 10 the power minus. Because we just check the first digit, either nothing will be the zero. ऐसा नहीं कि zero पहले है तो अब first digit ये zero नहीं. जो पहला नंबर है first natural number, you just find out the first natural number. So the first natural number are the 2, and so the decimal will be the shift after the 2. In that example, you have the first natural number starting by the 3, so the decimal shift to the 3. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 we counted. Here the only one decimal will be the shift, so be the 1 be the rate. So that's the standard form. So if anyone say that if question is that 2.324 into 10 ka power 6. So what the number? So what we check? Check that 2, 3, 2, 4. That's the number. What the check? 6 digit. Means decimal comes from the after the 6 digit. So 3 digit are given and 3 digit are also written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the decimal shift that point to that. So the number will be the 2324000. That's the natural number. If also the question is that if 0.0000234 into 10 ka power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1 means if the number shift to the where first digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 2.34. Well, the change is that first of all you just decimal is here. No, that's the not the standard form. That's the standard form is that 2.34 into 10 ka power 5. So the change in the standard form is -5, so the 4 digit are back, then चेंज की यहाँ से, ये यहाँ से 0.0000023। तो वाइस वर्सा भी आता है कि पूछ देते लोग कि आप कैसे चेंज करोगे उसको। तो ये तो था आपका some questions based on that the exponent. The next class on Tuesday we also discuss the different type of the questions. Simplify the each of the following terms. Some simplification will be the discussed on the Tuesday classes. So thank you.